We use a state-of-the-art learning management system that has all sorts of topics. We have over almost 4,000 courses actually now in our library. And we use digital learning as, if you will, a tenderizer. So we tenderize their brain with digital learning to get them to understand the topic we're going to talk about. The digital learning gives them tests on that topic. And then we actually go into the instructor-led and hands-on lessons of that same topic.
Well, let's dissect it back a little bit.
All right.
First, I know that you're the greatest skills trainer in the Southeast, but I don't think the internet knows yet. So you tell us a little bit about what you do and what is ISTA.
Okay.
We know ISTA best, but
it's the best training.
But why?
Mainly because we do our training here at the factory on site with a 50,000 square foot training center. It's an amazing facility. It's all hands-on. And what it is US Sugar, the company I work for, has decided to train their own mechanics. We have such a shortage of the skilled trades, especially mechanics. So they've decided, you know what, we need to train our own mechanics because it's hard to find good mechanics. And a lot of young people don't realize that the trades are a great resource and a great direction in life. So we decided, you know, we're going to build our own mechanics because we want them to live down here in South Central Florida, and their families are here, their roots are here. So they're more than happy to have an opportunity like this. Plus we pay them, that's always a benefit.
So there's a lot going on with that. So it's just to get it straight, you have a program that'll pay you as you join?
Yes.
And state-of-the-art facility. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with what's new.